Hi everyone. The Blue Room has a PSA for you. That's a public service announcement. Here's a little poem that we say in the Blue Room to help keep us safe. If you cough or sneeze into your elbow, please cough, 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 cough. If you cough or sneeze into your elbow, please achoo, achoo. Let's all stay healthy and keep everybody else healthy. You can remember to cough and sneeze into your elbow, and you can put on your mask. Let's keep each other safe. Okay, bye for now.